It's your girl Erin Alexander back with another video. Anyways, I know you guys haven't seen me in a long ass time, but I'm here. We have been consistent because I've been posting on YouTube Shorts. So if you haven't seen that, please go and watch the videos, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Per. As you can see, new hairstyle. Who this? We're back in our locks, my dear. But I don't know if I showed you guys that I switched up my room a little bit. Not by much, and I probably not even remember, but we move. I started a new matcha. I don't know. I started a new Matcha Monday series on thumbnail. I started a new Matcha Anyways, I started a new Matcha Monday series on TikTok. We just made this matcha. Guys, I wasn't a big fan of matcha. I won't say I wasn't a fan of matcha. I wasn't drinking matcha. But I like the aesthetics that matcha has. In a sense, like the little pretty green, whatever. I didn't use much matcha because, my dear, it smells like shit. But I made a brown sugar matcha latte, and not gonna lie, you can add me as a barista. You can add me as a barista because this drink right here eats badly. But today is, I don't know today what. Today is Friday actually, and I'm here at home. We're chilling. I wanted to go on the road. I'm not sure if I'm still gonna go, but if I do, I should be going to grab lunch and a few of my makeup products that I run out of, as well as my face products. I need to get back the, as I'm looking at it right here, the niacinamide ordinary serum. We need to get this back. This has been broken off from months ago. Literally the tip gone. And let me see. It empty to the rim. Me printing nothing a drop out and waste. But I haven't been used the brown sugar in my throat, man. I haven't been using it lately, and I want to get it back before my face get back out of control, because it's been in a little bit of control since lately. Little bit. The camera probably make it look like you're well controlled, but I promise you, it's no peaches and cream over here. None at all. But I woke up this morning, I took a shower. I fed Kaizen a bottle. I haven't ate breakfast yet because I just got done making the matcha video. But so we have new subscribers to our channel, so let's clap that tea. We are now at, I think the last time we were at 360 something subscriber, probably in the last video that I did. We are now at 411 subscribers. Clock it. But you guys are really watching the long form content, so I've been more consistent on the short side because it's growing our platform. So clap that tea. Yeah. Good morning, guys. So it is literally 2 days after. I didn't end up going anywhere, so I didn't bother to pick up at the camera. But it is Sunday. Hold on, let me turn on Kaizen TV. I'm gonna expose my bosoms. But yeah, as I was saying, it's Sunday and I have a room to go set up for today, so I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. I was currently in the process of also, if you guys hear the breeze in the background, I cannot do nothing about it. It's been windy since last night, like extreme winds. Literally sound like we live on a shoreline. But I was just about to start prepping the stuff for the setup. So I was like, let me just pick up the camera. update you guys. I do want to go to the movies or find something today, but if not today, I might do it tomorrow. But I definitely need to go on the road, as I stated before in the last morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Wow. At this point, I have a bag dropping. So today is Tuesday, and we're finally going on the road. And so much time I done the last time, so I got on the road. I'll know when I reach. Please don't drop. Yeah. So we're finally going on the road right now. I need to go to Sephora and also I'm gonna walk around and looking at Old Navy. Just because. Guys, it is literally 37. And I just feel like we have made it to Ulster. No, I some little outfit. I'll come and slap at 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. $400 for your fucking ass, $200 for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Guys, we're color matching. Guys, I literally feel like I should have went. I just came out of Sephora. I was just talking to myself that I've been craving a lychee martini, and being that I am down here, that's what I should have gone and grabbed. Like, you want like a lounge or something to do? Be a clothes store, shoe store. See the clothes on for about 21, and instead of putting something else, they put one shoe store. We already have how much shoe store? As you can see me Eva pass. Oh, we are doing more shoe store. And in that shoe store that we're just going to welcome, I'm mostly Nike and Adidas, but one little rock. Girl, I got you another dress. So bring you out. Not me going to take a lift, you see? To go from point A to point B, and it only take me 2-minute walk or 3-minute walk to reach a point B. Sometimes I have to do better. And the lift was like $7 or $8. $8. I'm out of reach for now. Just left the movies. Worst movie of my life. I should have known better for me to took like old people on the display thingy, like the little poster. But I wasn't trying to watch a movie. I wasn't trying to watch a movie at a later day. So I take me like a stubborn self and watch the show. Worst show ever. This show don't make no sense. I wanted to walk out, but I didn't want to do walk of shame. So I said, alright, let me just watch the little show and make it stay. Worst show, worst. Nobody watch it. It was midwinter break or something like that. But I'm trying to see if I want to go and get a henna tattoo. If they do it in this vicinity, because I don't want to walk all the way down the bottom. But let's see. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'll be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the
type of woman deserve good fame. This for the diamond, a head full of rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are.
Hey babes, you can see by the title we're gonna be going to the circus, so we're doing a get ready with me chaotic. I have my life playing in the background, so don't mind that. Trying to drip on some eyelashes real quick and fast. Eyelashes finished. I don't even feel like this a hairstyle. I was trying to catch up all of it, but my headphones still tight. So that was a no. We're about to start doing our makeup. I think it came out. I'm telling you, your makeup look good when you hurry up and do your makeup. You're ready too quick. No. Because me the makeup this morning, I don't put nothing in it, be worse than this dance. Every time I try to do something different with the makeup, something off or something I look funny, but
it's at 2 a.m.
way up to me. I have a wardrobe malfunction and I am not changing. I'm gonna try setting up back. I have on this pants and this belt, right? So here's a quick OOTD. Quick OOTD. Right. The pants tear right here. Like I can barely see it. And the belt stuck. When we say the belt stuck, the belt stuck. And I'm not taking it off. So I'm hoping off a pee-pee. I'm gonna put our scissors in the car. So when we come back we can just cut it off. But for now, it's gonna have to do. And Casey is sleeping. And if you're sleeping, you're asleep. All of a sudden you want to sleep. All along there, this live started.
Questo così perché
Big